Call scripts are going to be a very familiar feature, especially for those that do a ton of outbound dialing or maybe have a call center or SDR team that's all they do is do a ton of outbound calls. I want to talk about the shape advantage to call scripts and how they're used within the platform. Depending on your industry template, you will have call scripts in your settings, and you'll already have some call scripts ready to go just based on best practices in your industry. Here I have a mortgage demo, so I'm going to open up one of these scripts. And the concept behind a call script is very straightforward. It's just you type out all of the different things that the user needs to know when they're on the phone, whether it's about rates rising or any of the different topics here, like referral business, sharing referrals, rates and terms, new programs pitch, just kind of helping that user, especially if they're just getting started, with how to speak on the phone and what to do when certain rebuttals come back. Now, call scripts with Shape, we have tokens. You'll see a few of them here, like lead first name, username, company name. These tokens are fantastic. You can use them to pull variable data from within that record so that the user doesn't have to go look into the record for that information when they're on the phone. You can have Shape pull that up front and center while they're on the phone, so they already know the email, they already know the name, the company name, etc. Now with call scripts as well, I'll go into a lead here, show you where to locate the call scripts and how to utilize them. So I'm going to open Corey here. And the first place to find a call script is going to be up here at the top in these different workflow tabs. I'm going to go ahead and say view all so I can pull up all of the different tabs, and you'll find scripts right here. So you'll kind of see how these different tokens work. So you can see it pulled my name and some other information automatically for me, and I can easily flip through the different call scripts on the go without having to do too much as far as setup. The other way to access call scripts is going to be on the phone. So I'm going to go ahead and give this lead a. I'm going to mute everything so there's no weird feedback loops. Give that a second to come through. There we go. Mute everything. And right here, you'll have a button for call scripts. So you can, again, quickly select from those, just like if you were in the record. But the advantage is you can go back. You can be on a different page completely without needing to jump around or save it in another tab or anything like that. I can be running through my list view while having my call scripts open on the dialer over here on the right. So very, very handy feature when it comes down to it. The shape advantage to call scripts is going to be not only when you're on the phone, but also setting up custom workflows within these different tabs. So right now you'll see with the scripts, I can't adjust any of this, right? It's just kind of, I can type notes, I can do different things like that, but for the most part, this is all locked in and I can't adjust anything. However, with Shape, I can switch this department to streamlined. We have a feature called custom UI that we can use to build different intake flows for you. So instead of having a call script, I can have everything dynamic here on the screen. I can ask any questions. I believe we have an example here that helps me with my pitch. So letting me know, hey, write this down. This is important. It gives me a greeting saying, hey, and then of course my name, Sheener LO with company name. So just different flows that can be set up here that are more dynamic, and I can answer these as I go. It lets me know why these different things are important so that as I'm continuing, it's kind of giving me those tips almost as if it was a call script, but it's completely built out custom so that I can easily go through it, answer the questions, and continue filling out this record from there. But hopefully this video helps kind of highlight how call scripts work, how custom UI works as well. If you guys have any follow-up questions on those items, don't hesitate to reach out to help@setshape.com.